Welcome Turks and Caicos crew, Ale, Carla, Anwar, Sarah. Grab your VIP passes and stick close. Today, I'm your expert guide. Our journey starts right outside in the parking lot, or if you happen to be in the UK, the car park. Modern shopping centers are massive, multi-level mazes. Without the right vocabulary to describe where things are, locating a specific shop quickly becomes disorienting. By the end of this tour, you will have the vocabulary and grammar required to describe your favorite shopping mall to a friend. Just take a look around this atrium. With dozens of stores stacked across multiple floors and escalators crisscrossing, the scale here is immense. Mastering a few spatial terms helps organize this massive floor plan into a predictable grid. As we step through the doors, look for the essentials first. If you need cash, you ask, is there an ATM nearby? Moving down this first corridor brings us to the food wing. Right here is the produce market, selling fresh fruits and vegetables, a place folks in the UK call the greengrocer. We can confirm what's around us by using simple statements. For example, there is a bakery right next to us, and over on the left, there is a butcher. To truly understand our environment, we have to consult this floor plan of the Springfield Mall. This map is our orientation tool, and we are starting right at the central crossroads marked "You are here." Using "is there a" is how you locate the essentials in any new place, from the closest bathroom to the nearest exit. Looking at the map, we navigate using distinct color-coded zones. Notice the blocks of purple and blue along the central walkways. We match specific actions to these locations. Carla, to buy a dress, you head directly to a clothing store. We apply the same logic for you, Anwar. If you need to buy some paper and pens for class, you go straight to the stationery store. As we walk these corridors, we pass specialized locations for every need: a shoe store for footwear, a furniture store for desks, and a bookstore for reading. Let's pause right here at this smaller kiosk. This is a newsstand, a spot to grab a magazine or today's paper. In the UK, you call this a newsagent's. Linking your goal, what you want to buy, to a specific store allows you to describe any shopping trip with clarity. All this walking builds up an appetite. If your legs are getting tired, you can pivot to the entertainment zone by asking a plural question. Are there any restaurants? That leads us to the food court. Here, the leisure options expand. You can grab a drink at a bar, which is a pub in the UK, or catch a film at the movie theater, known as a cinema. Navigating any large public space requires knowing the practical spots, like the nearest restroom or lavatory. Look at the far left wing of the map. We have arrived at our final, largest destination, the massive orange block labeled Lacey's. Lacey's operates on a different scale. It is a department store, meaning it consolidates clothes, furniture, and shoes under one brand. A modern mall functions like a small city, providing everything from basic groceries to grand-scale department stores inside one continuous ecosystem. Let's zoom out for a second. In just a few minutes, we have mapped and categorized an immense amount of territory. The critical rule to remember here is the difference between your location and your action. You are physically standing in a mall, but when you make a transaction, you buy something at a specific store. This table directly lists exactly what you would like to buy and where to find it. It locks in that connection, matching items like printers and computers directly to a computer store. My time leading the way is done. Now I am passing the megaphone over to you, the Turks and Caicos crew. Head into your class and put this framework to the test. Use it to describe your favorite shopping mall to your friends. With these descriptive tools, you can give anyone clear directions to your favorite spots.